Hello and welcome to this Cloud Blast tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to install Nginx on Ubuntu in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, connect to your VPS via SSH. Once connected, we'll update the system to make sure everything's ready. Next, we'll install Nginx. Once that's done, we'll start Nginx and enable it to run automatically whenever the server restarts. To check that Nginx is working, open your browser and go to your server's IP address. If it's set up correctly, you'll see the Nginx welcome page. We hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and we invite you to visit our website, cloudblast.io. Thanks for watching.